Brown rice is consumed by health-conscious individuals around the world due to its great levels of nutrition and versatility to be added to a number of different recipes. Surprising to some, but brown rice is quite nutrient-dense and contains a number of healthy compounds that can promote our overall health. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming brown rice regularly. First, brown rice is loaded with many different types of vitamins, minerals, and other healthy nutrients. More specifically, it is a great source of manganese, selenium, niacin, magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamin B6, among many others. Brown rice is also a good source of dietary fiber, is low in fat, and contains potent antioxidant compounds. Brown rice is also well known for being heart healthy and can promote the overall health of the heart while also reducing the risk of developing heart disease. It can help to naturally regulate cholesterol levels in the body and lower triglyceride levels. Brown rice can also help to reduce plaque buildup in the arteries, while the good levels of antioxidants and nutrients like selenium can reduce free radicals in the body that can damage the cardiovascular system. Regular consumption of brown rice can also have benefits for those individuals suffering from diabetes or those individuals who are at risk of developing the disease. Studies have found that brown rice consumption can reduce the risk of developing diabetes. This is often attributed to its low glycemic index and ability to regulate insulin levels in the body. It can also help with weight loss and promote proper weight management. It can also help to promote the overall look and health of the skin many different ways. This is because brown rice contains many essential nutrients that work to keep the skin healthy. It contains proteins that have natural exfoliant properties. Brown rice can also help to naturally promote cell growth while also stimulating circulation. As well, it can help to reduce the signs of premature aging such as fine lines and wrinkles, while also repairing damaged skin. Lastly, regular consumption of brown rice can help to maintain the proper function of the nervous system. This is often attributed to the good levels of minerals such as manganese and B vitamins. The high levels of magnesium found in brown rice can also help to promote the proper functioning of muscles and nerves, while also helping to keep them relaxed. The good levels of vitamin E are also helpful in this regard. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.